downside breakout, sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video, like this daily you just need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls. So whenever the market trend changes, you will get calls like a signal. Right now it's a downside breakout, sell call, sell signal, red color candle open. So can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is our entry line. Below line are target line, above line is the stop loss line. So through this entry you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trading also. If you want to know the chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail in WhatsApp. 12, so it's a 12th December market, Thursday market we are watching. After 11:50 AM, a downside breakout, we are watching this sell call. So the sell call came at sell at 53,525. So that straight white line is the entry line 525. First target is 391. It's more than 130 point first target range. Within 30 minutes of sell call generated, it successfully break out the first target range. First 10 minutes market was very flat momentum, very few minutes only market traded, but after 10 minutes market started to move in downside direction and break out the target. Out of the money 53,000 put option we are watching. The buy call came at 362 and market move all the way to 420. Like this you can change script, like in the money, at the money, out of the money option chart. Even Reliance crude oil also you can watch in this chart. If you want to know the chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.